Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to delete a hacked Instagram account without credentials. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to instagram.com, and guys, it will be just the same step if you are using an Instagram application into your device. So from here, just simply go to the search icon over here and just simply search the account that you want to be deleted. Let's say this is the account. So I'm going to use this as an example. And from here, guys, just simply click on the three dots over here. And after that, just simply click on report. And from here, just simply go for report account. And from here, guys, you will have an option. It's pretending to be someone else. So click on this. And from here, who is this account pretending to be? So just simply click on me and click on submit report. And from here, you'll be able to report it to the Instagram and they will review your report. And if the report has been approved, it will delete the account. And from here, you will have an option to block the account over here and you can block them. And another option that you have is just simply click on their post. And on their post, just simply click on the three dots over here again and go for report. And over here on the report, just go for false information and then I go for something else. And from here, you'll be able to report it again and you'll be able to block it. And from there, guys, you'll be able to delete the hacked Instagram account. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.